We had a get together and my sisters have been craving barbacoa. So today I'm going to be making Barbacoa Sinaloense. We're going to start off by making the salsa. I've set my saucepan to medium heat with some water, and I'm going to be adding 10 chile guajillos, 3 chile anchos, and half of a white onion. We cook for about 10 minutes. They're now ready. I'm going to transfer everything into the blender, including most of the water. And we're also going to add 5 garlic cloves, 1/4 teaspoon of allspice. Here I have 1 teaspoon of oregano and half a teaspoon of black pepper. And here I have 2 tablespoons of beef bouillon and half a tablespoon of chicken bouillon. Now we blend. For this recipe, I'm using the total of 8 pounds of meat, and it's a combination of shank, chamorro, oxtail, colita de res, and chuck roast. To season, I'm gonna be adding some salt. This part is salt to taste. I'm also gonna add some black pepper. And for the veggies, here I have 5 roma tomatoes, half a red onion, half a white onion, and 2 poblano peppers. We add it to the pot. We're also gonna add 24 ounces of papas cambray, 4 carrots, some olives, and I like to add some of the juice as well. 1 can of salsa el Pato. This is gonna give it an extra little kick, some pickled jalapeños, some bay leaves, 1 beer of your choice. Some people add pineapple juice or Coke. The beer is used to tenderize the meat. We add in the salsa, and last, I almost forgot, very important, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Mix in everything very well. Once I had everything in and started mixing it, I realized that it was too small, so I had to transfer everything into a bigger pot. Now I'm gonna set the stove to medium heat, cover and cook for at least 2 hours. It's been 2 hours and a half and our barbacoa is now ready. And look at this, guys, it's so delicious. If you've never had barbacoa sinaloense, this is your chance to make it. You're gonna love it. I'm gonna serve it with some frijolitos puercos y sopita fría. If you guys want a recipe for the beans or the sopa fría, let me know in the comments and I'll make sure to make a video. Look at this, the meat just falls apart. It's so good. All right, guys, and now for the moment of truth. Cheers. Honestly, guys, you need to try this recipe. It's one of my all-time favorites. This is one of the typical, what's it called? Dishes that they serve at weddings, quinceañeras, baby showers. So we all grew up eating these and it's so delicious. The meat from the carniceria, top tier, super tender. By the way, guys, I didn't show you how to make the soup or the beans, but if you guys want a video, let me know and I'll be sure to make it. Cheers. And there you have it, delicious barbacoa sinaloense. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.